Hello ladies and gents, I'm Legion217 and welcome your faces back to another episode of the Rebels Let's Play. So, I'm very happy. I'm a very happy Legion, yes I am, because that little, when we left off, I got off like a rage. I was just like, no, we're no longer doing this. So, I was actually able to auto-resolve the guy off right when I stopped the recording. I actually tried auto-resolving and he died. He died. Holy crap, he died. Finally. He's dead. Yes. Anyway, I did the stupid thing and well, it was a good idea. Someone told me to get Bounty Hunter and try it, but yeah, he just kept retreating back and forth sort of thing, so I wouldn't be able to actually get him. But the only thing is, I will be getting bounty hunters. I'm going to start putting them on Endor and start trying to take out the frickin' competition. Yes. Anyway, so, let's see, I have my army here, a fleet here. We have no more Black Sun in this frickin' area anymore, so we can actually trap them in, prepare our fleets for battle, prepare our vehicles and infantry, our entire army for battle. I'm going to try to take Endor as fast as freaking possible because I'm so sick and tired of them. Anyways, so first thing I want to do, send the bounty hunters over here. And another thing I want to do is I want to announce the new commanders and their ships. So Rob Wu is commanding the Hapen Battle Dragon that's over here. Right here. There she is. And it is named the Broken Sun. So that is one. Boop. Okay. Marked off. And then the second one is, I do apologize for butchering your name, Glyn? Is it Glean? Gelin Guts. Has a Corellian destroyer, which is, let's see. I believe I had another one. I already have two Corellian destroyers there. Not one there. It means I have to make one. Huh. I thought I had an extra one. I could have sworn I did. But,
Constructing unit.
Corellian destroyer right there. Boom. Front and center. And that is, the name of the ship is Leostatio Frigulato. I butchered that so badly, I think I embarrassed myself. So, do apologize, but both of you, welcome to the New Republic. May you serve honorably in our conquests. So, anyways, let's get down to business. And let's see, how many Wookiees do we need left? We have one left here. We're almost done with the new Jedi Order Academy. We're just going to start trying to find all the Jedi once again. And then we're going to try to take a planet with only Jedi, as I said before. That I promised you. You see all, oh my gosh, just look at all these. The fleets are growing. We're going to have to start attacking pretty soon. And let's see, I got 12 guy and 25. So some of you guys have actually told me about why my money is so low. It's because of the... It's because of them. It's because of the Black Sun, because of their mercenary groups. But I don't see that. I really don't. I don't understand how they could be the ones doing things when they're not even on my land or in my planets. So just a wee bit confusing. But anyway, let's continue. As I said about 15 times by now. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Get you. Whoop. Get you up here.
Right away, sir.
And let's see what else.
Construction
Reporting.
complete.
This looks like a pretty interesting vehicle. T2B tanks.
Unit in production.
Let's get the artillery.
Vehicle cancelled.
Let's also see. We got the Republic Star Destroyer. Send you over
Moving
there.
to the
Somewhere he
ordnance.
has this. And who was it who had this? Public Star Destroyer. Raven Sean, Dark Jedi. And the name of it is the
Construction
Republic's Revenge.
I'm ready for the hunt.
Construction
Send
complete.
you over here.
On our way.
All that good stuff. Look at that. It's just heroes in this area. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. The two people I want to kill off is Darth Vader and frickin' Emperor Palpatine, also known as Dark Sidious. They both need to die, and along with him as well. Veers needs to die as well. So, I think we're good here. Let's
Recruiting
two
soldiers.
of you. Why not? Spend extra cash when I could actually be. Let's see.
Training soldiers.
Let's do
Enlisting.
that. Get some clones. Mon Calamari clones. And then. What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do, what to do.
Constructing.
And I can also build some ships, so let's do that. I believe I took out an MC-80
Unit in production.
to get some money. So let's build. Let's see, what are you? MC-60s, MC-75 Barracudas, MC-80As, Defender Destroyer. I want something kind of cheap. Wingless. Ugh, so many good choices here. I have no idea what to pick. I could get... no, not more Alliance Assault Frigates. Oh, where the heck is my Liberators? Oh, there she blows. Oh, there she is. She's so cute. Look at you.
Unit in production.
Let's see.
Unit cancelled.
I can get the Dauntless here as well, so that's good.
Constructing unit.
So let's get a Liberator. I really want one of those. And
Construction complete.
all that
Construction
good stuff.
complete.
Calamari crews are ready.
Let's actually start sending you these troops over here.
Requesting backup.
Prepare for war. And we can actually send these troops. Let's see. Oh, another thing. I got a lot of good advice from you guys, everyone. About spreading the love of these guys. So let's do that. Let's send some of you guys around.
I'm ready for the hunt. Moving ahead.
I should just send all three of you over here.
Coordinates received.
And let's see. I actually want to.
Artillery online.
Keep you guys like so. Keep you guys away. Send you over here.
Construction complete.
I'm actually just gonna go straight for Mandalore and also go straight over here. It is finished. We now have the new Jedi Temple. Sweet. New Jedi Temple.
Reporting.
We're gonna go to Mont Cal first. We're gonna get another Hapen Battle Dragon if anyone wants it.
Mission log updated.
Come on, hurry.
Constructing unit.
And what else? We have troops here.
Underway.
Send you up. There's one.
Artillery online.
We're gonna send you over to Solus,
Very well.
while you will go over to here.
Right away.
I don't think we're gonna need this corruption anymore, so I'm just gonna destroy that so they don't get any more money or Lothians, tailheads, you know.
Artillery online.
Let's get these guys over here. And
Order confirmed.
so search for Padawans is the main mission of this game. Next one. Send you over here. You are going to go to Trendoja. I'm going to try Kashyyyk as well. I can't remember all of them. We have opportunity now to train Jedi Padawans, Jedi Masters main Jedi Temple on Yavin. Okay. So as you can see, I got 2, Mon Cal and then Tusken. There we go. Removing all corruption. But before I do that, I want to get some X-Wings. We're gonna go over to
Roger.
Alpha.
Artillery online.
Corruption has been removed.
And what else? I want to get... What are you? Rebel? No. I can get these all the way over here. Let's get 2
Constructing
of you.
unit.
Okay, good. I can't neutralize them. Sorry, ladies and gents, you saw it here. I cannot neutralize them. Which sucks like no other.
Reporting.
But we'll have another chance.
Artillery online.
I always
So
succeed.
you... all that good stuff. I think we have our great military force right here. That's amazing. Send you guys over here along with you. Holy crap. That is a fleet if I don't say so myself. Alright, hold on a second. The Corona. Bullet has the Corona. What is your name? The dying light shall lead this fleet to glory. I hope you're ready for this, Bullet. 'Cause I know I'm not. Oh, we got our Jedi here. Awesome.
Building
We're gonna
under
build some
construction.
more stuff so we have more money.
Building under construction.
Because why the heck not? Let's do
Building
this.
started.
I will get these Jedi. I can't remember how many of them are out there. Let's see. I want to get a couple of these.
Unit in production. Vehicle cancelled.
But first I want one of those. And
Squadron reporting.
get you out of there. Camino. Let's go. Let's see if we can get a clone. That'll be funny. Oh, there we go.
Reporting.
I'm on my way.
Mon Calamari cruiser ready. Moving along.
I can't remember where the other ones are. I think there's one here. Here's the Corellian Battle Cruiser. We can move you up here.
Order confirmed. Squadron reporting.
Start sending you men up here along with this army.
Destination received.
Send you up as well.
On our way. Ready for command.
It's two of you.
Squadron reporting. Destination set.
Oh my gosh.
Ich werde dort sein.
Target eliminated.
Eliminate all targets.
That was easy.
Bale, you are officially useless to me. It's so freaking annoying.
Hiring bounty hunter.
Bounty hunter!
Reporting.
You gotta love these things.
Right away.
If the AI knew how to use bounty hunters against me, like the way I'm doing it, I
Building
would
under
probably die.
construction. Beginning construction. Building under construction.
Just getting a bunch of those. All that good stuff. 25 grand. I will get to the fighting pretty soon. I may just full on attack. I have no idea what to bring down though. I literally have no idea. And if this guy works the way he does in my little Empire stream, he cannot die. So that's a problem. And I literally have to bring in tanks upon tanks upon tanks, and the Wookiees will annihilate them like beasts. Yes. Alright guys, so I pretty much skipped around for a while, and I still haven't found the Jedi. I think he's probably up here in this area, maybe over here. I haven't checked those planets yet. But hey, look at these Jedi we are starting to get, so I'm happy about that. Let's see, let's get... There can only be one Liberty. I don't know. Let's get the Mediator. I have no idea how
in production.
to truly pronunciate that. I will butcher names until I die.
Vehicle in production.
Let's do that. And what else do we
Building
want
under
to do?
construction.
Because we are almost out of time. Oh my gosh, we still haven't even done a battle. I've just been talking and blah blah blahs. Anyway, so we're going to freaking Endor.
Right away.
And we're gonna do
Construction
something
complete.
cheaty that I did in the last time. The last time I did a
Destination set.
what do you want to call it? Let's play. So first thing I want to do is I want to steal credits because
Construction
it's fun.
complete.
And the second thing I want to do is probably start attacking. Do I really want to start? Let's see. And what I mean by do I really want to start? Do I really want to start to attack Mandalore? Maybe I want to do that probably next episode. Who knows?
Construction complete.
Look, Chewie. Someone left a whole lot of money just
Construction
lying around.
complete.
Good
Construction
monies.
complete.
Alright, so I just added my Livery class cruisers to my little list, so anyone can get those. There's 3 of them. All that good stuff. And yeah, I believe that's it. Anyway, ooh, I haven't checked now Hutta yet. That would be awesome if I got a Jedi hut. Oh my gosh, that would be nasty. But hey,
Construction
Nope.
complete.
it's not on Dantooine. Could have sworn there was going to be one there.
Very well.
I'm on my way.
But let us get on with the attack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send in Mon Calamari. Mon Calamari troopers are ridiculous. Trust me, they are insanely powerful. The reason why they can be insanely powerful, I'm actually going to wait. But the reason why they're insanely powerful is because they can get a shield generator.
Adjusting now.
A freaking shield generator going and build a shield around this point right here or anywhere they want, and holy crap, it's amazing. So is it Hoth? Dagobah? My gosh, this is gonna drive me nuts. I have no idea where this last person is. Oh, forgot. Nope.
Let's move out.
Come on. One of these plants has to be it.
Beginning construction.
It has to be.
Moving along.
To be or not to be.
I'm on it.
Okay, do we have them? Yes, I need these tanks to survive. So, kill
That was
you,
easy.
and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna attack Endor for the, hopefully for the final time.
Invasion commencing.
Wish me luck, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's go.
Enemy forces
So it
ahead.
begins. Dun, na, 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 na. I know, wrong franchise, but awesome music still. These guys are good. There's... Oh, look at that. Sith Warrior. They look so freaking cool. But he will die just like the rest. Who do I need to bring
Choose your
in? That's what I need to
reinforcements.
focus on. You're one. Awesome.
Destination received.
One.
Course
Cool.
plotted.
And we are not going to send the Wookiees just yet. Not yet. I don't want to sacrifice any Wookiees. Ooh, who do I want to bring in? I want to bring in someone else. Someone. Let's bring another one of these guys
Adjusting navigation.
because they're so
Maximum
sexy.
unit capacity.
So they can build these three things. If anyone has ever seen my other Let's Play, Mon Calamari soldiers have shields. Not just the shields, but they have this, and they can build a mobile shield generator or a mobile rebel repair station or rebel fire laser turret. I'm going to do this.
Shield
It's
generator
going to be
constructing.
possibly like so. Hopefully I can build it in time.
Look, it's the Emperor himself.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Let's cheese these peeps.
Ready to help.
Cheese them like no other.
Where we headed, sir?
They can also
Construction
do
complete.
system control. That's cool.
Charged. Attack tank copies. Attack tank copies.
Engines primed. Reporting.
Kill
Torpedoes away.
him.
Ready to deliver.
Fire, 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 fire. Hold your position.
Ready for command. All lights are green.
Reinforcement point contested.
Ready. Enemy targeted.
No! 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 No!
Destroyed.
Tank copies.
We have been defeated.
I don't know. I don't know anymore. Oh my gosh. Well, my first attack did not work. In simple terms, it... Yep, that's a simple term right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. That's a...
Unit in production.
That's a...
Unit in production.
I'm sad. I am seriously, legitimately sad right now.
Building started.
Because I
Training
don't know what
soldiers.
to do. I have no freaking clue how to take this. Now, it looks like I'm going to have to do what you guys want me to do. Or what you guys want to do, not what I want to do. And that is...
Beginning construction.
I'm going to
Beginning
have to
construction.
sacrifice a planet, most likely, Therifia. Because they're going to send all their troops up in space and they're going to try and attack this point. That's exactly what I need them to do.
Beginning
Because
construction.
after that, they won't have any, or mostly none of their main troops or main characters. That's what it is. Because this is ridiculous. Bounty hunters won't do anything. And you know what? I don't know. I don't know how to destroy the... I just need to destroy the shield generator. That's it. So, I'm going to try and attack again, but not yet. I'm going to...
Building started.
That first. I'm going to need
Building cancelled. Building
you
started.
there. Okay, so I'm going to try one more attack, but not with this group here. I'm going to leave... Let's see... None of these troops here. All these troops...
Construction complete.
Ooh. Oh, it's one of those. Got it. Okay. Keep...
Construction complete.
Just keep searching. So...
Constructing.
Alright. Send these guys away.
Underway.
Right, keep this fleet here. And then we are also going to... I might as well attack Mandalore this episode. There's no reason not to. Let's see, do I have any other ships over here? Besides that one. Oh, I need to get some of these.
Let's go.
What am I doing with the life right now?
On my way.
I'm still upset with myself. So many reasons. Okay. Send you guys over here. I was going to attack Kaylee, or yeah, Kaylee or something like that. But I may go deeper, probably all the way over
Awaiting
here.
your orders.
Because of
On my
reasons.
way.
So these guys are just going to stay here. You're going to stay there. Liberator. Gonna go over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bunch of these guys right here, the AAC hover tanks.
Constructing unit.
Just get a bunch of them, charge the shield generator, and I'll be done. I don't have to kill everyone. That's the main thing. I do not have to kill everyone.
Speeder reporting for duty.
Construction complete. Building under construction.
Now Hutta is so rich.
Construction complete. Building
So we
under
do that.
construction.
Let's get one of you.
Vehicle in production.
Alright, I got 4 both in assault cruisers, sorry. I have to... I'm kind of skipping around every now and then because I'm writing stuff down on my laptop. Other things like that. So, let's see. Some new vehicles. Send them over into the military.
Course plotting.
Send you over here.
Construction complete.
I will come over here and attack, but right now I need to let up on some steam. So
Keep going. This way.
we're gonna kill some people real quick.
Moving to destination.
Dying Light, are you ready?
Succeed.
Because you're leading us into battle.
Target
Reporting.
eliminated.
Hiring bounty hunter.
Get ready! Ready!
Tactical battle imminent.
Fight! The dying light has emerged from hyperspace, sir.
Frigate reporting. Coordinates
And he comes with his own
A-Wing Squadron reporting.
E-Wing.
Nebulon
That's cool.
B frigate here.
No, I don't think I've ever had one of these guys. Look at him. So cool.
Weapons online.
The Dying Light. At your service. Okay.
Choose
So-
your reinforcements.
Oh, jeez. The pride of the New Republic. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's get another one of you in here.
We're heading out.
And now,
Reinforcements cancelled.
Send you
Reinforcements
in.
We've
cancelled.
located the enemy.
okay. So where they at? We got Province class, couple of cruisers, couple other cruisers and stuff, frigates, and the Hate Bin Bow Dragons.
We're moving out.
That's 1, 2,
Move out.
3,
We shall be there shortly.
4,
Right away.
5.
Moving out.
I'm going to have to split up this fleet a little bit
Reinforcements cancelled.
for it to be
On my way.
completely.
Forward.
Reinforcements cancelled.
Heading for coordinates.
Here we go.
Choose your
Oh,
reinforcements.
I want to send in one of
Maximum
you at
unit
least.
capacity.
Star Destroyer standing by.
Look at that. So, who do we have as Hate Bin Battle Dragons? My laptop keeps stupid. Hate Bin Battle Dragons. We have the Galaxy's Wrath, Dragon's Fire. I should go into Dragon's Fire and Broken Sun. There. And we have 2 more if anyone wants them.
Roger.
Star Destroyer
The
reporting
shields
in.
on this puppy is ridiculous. Just look at the firepower. Now I shall show you the true
Weapons charged.
power of the
Frigate
dark
en
side.
route.
So we have the Dying Light and where's the other one? Oh, Mon Mothma's Own. So there you have it.
Frequency open.
Yes, Commander.
Forward the destroyer!
Moving to coordinates.
Start moving up. Move 'em up,
Cruiser
up, up.
standing
Move 'em
by.
up. Move 'em up, up.
On my way.
Fire! And then, of course, we have the 3 Corellian destroyers. Hammerhead's Revenge. Redding's Revenge. And the one I just can't pronounce. By Gillian Guts. I do apologize again in
B-Wing
advance
Squadron reporting.
that
Ready. Ready, sir.
I suck at names.
Affirmative.
Awaiting
Please do not
orders.
kill me in my sleep.
Awaiting your orders.
Fire the cluster bombs.
People
Awaiting
have
your
tried
command.
and failed,
Cruise on.
but still tried.
Responding.
Copy that. Advancing.
Let's get you
Frigate
boys up here.
responding. Ready to command.
Your commander. Commander. Order
Turn,
confirmed.
turn. The Munificents. The Moonies.
Coming around.
Get ready. Oh, these shields are just being destroyed like no other.
Reporting in.
Launching cluster bomb. B-Wing here.
Jamming sensors.
Jam them sensors.
Weapons charged.
Got one. Got one.
Order confirmed.
Roger that.
Whoa, dang.
Form up.
We are being just destroyed over here.
Weapons operational.
Copy. Heading
these
to
men up here.
destination.
Ready.
I copy. Our target priority is the laser cannons. We've
Oh
lost the iron
crap, we
cannons.
need. Pull back. Pull
We're
you
moving
back.
out. Reporting.
Didn't realize it was getting that bad.
Our launch bay is
Oh,
gone.
snap. Hell's fire is down. I repeat, Hell's fire is down.
Star Destroyer
My bad.
standing by.
On calamari.
Should have gotten you out a long
Star
time ago.
Destroyer reporting in. Yes, Commander.
Fire the cluster
Awaiting
bombs.
orders. Awaiting your orders. The lasers are our target.
Holy crap, they're just going
Ready for action.
right through us right now.
Enemies incoming.
Awaiting your command. Your commander. Commander. Our target priority is the laser
We'll
cannons.
pretend that wasn't the Hell's Fire.
Reporting
How
in.
about that? Because we have 2 others left. So Hell's Fire's still alive.
Roger that.
Unless everyone gets too mad at me.
Mon calamari cruiser ready.
Former
Holding fire for maximum effect.
destroyer here. Copied.
I'll
Full
pull you
speed.
back.
I copy.
Ready for command. Got her back.
Okay, everyone fire.
Frigate standing by.
These T-wings, E-wings, sorry.
Reporting. Star destroyer standing by. Star destroyer reporting in.
Launching cluster bomb.
Move out.
Pulling you
Yes,
back.
Commander.
Holy crap.
We've got them on scopes.
Form up.
Come on, take out that stupid hangar.
Take out their guns.
Awaiting orders. Our
Choose
engines are
your
gone, sir.
reinforcements.
See if we can bring in reinforcements.
Consider it
Apparently I never brought these guys in.
The
Ooh!
iron cannons are offline. Awaiting your
Ooh!
orders.
Crap, get out of
We'll
there.
be there shortly.
There goes another one.
Stay in formation.
I am just a
Awaiting
horrible,
your
horrible
command.
commander. There goes my 2 hate-bin battle dragons. Hate-bin battle dragons, so if anyone wanted those, it's, sorry.
Those torpedo launchers must be destroyed. Attack commencing. The lasers are our target.
Awaiting orders.
Your command, sir.
I copy.
Big
Frigate
ships
moving
over
out.
here.
Commander. Our target priority is the laser cannons.
Vector set. Targeting at maximum fire.
Got them on the
run.
Roger that.
Kill them all.
Direct fire on the engines.
Lost 2 expensive hate-bin battle dragons. Those were the free ones, so... Oh well. Sad face.
Ready for command.
I just told you how bad I am commanding hate-bin battle dragons. Yep, so Mandalore. The invasion of Mandalore has begun. Send you guys up. And... those guys are safe. So I'm actually going to end this episode off here. Next time I'll have these guys all nice and ready to attack Endor and such. So anyway guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!